Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this FitnesSHOCK protein brownies. Inside the box you get 10 individually wrapped brownies in 3 different flavors. There's 4 chocolate brownies. This is the chocolate brownie one. There's 3 coconut brownies. This is the banana one. This is the coconut brownie. And then there's 3 banana brownies also. I like they're individually packaged, making them easy to grab for work, travel, or even after a workout. And each brownie is about 50 grams, and it contains 240 calories, 7.5 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, and only 2 grams of total sugar. There's 0 grams added sugar and 10 grams of net carbs. This is my personal favorite out of all of them. This is the protein brownie one. As you can see, this is the inside. There's a little brownie chunks. The brownies are covered in chocolate coating and have a soft, rich texture that feels more like a dessert than a protein snack, which I really like. And I especially like that it helps satisfy a sweet craving while still giving you some protein and fiber to help you feel and just like go on with your day. If you're looking for a guilt-free dessert alternative, going as something to enjoy with your coffee or a convenient snack after the gym, these are definitely worth trying. Overall, I think this variety pack is a great way to sample all 3 flavors while enjoying a brownie with 7.5 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, and no added sugar.